Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams with the Viofo A229 Plus 3-channel system. The Viofo A229 Plus is all about comprehensive coverage, capturing footage from the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle. Let's break down its features and performance. First off, let's talk about what's under the hood of this bad boy. The A229 Plus boasts a 1440p main front camera, coupled with a 1080p interior camera and another 1440p camera for the rear view. This means you're getting crisp, detailed footage from every angle. One standout feature is the discrete interior camera, allowing for versatile placement inside your vehicle without compromising the view from the front camera. Plus, with phone connectivity and voice control, accessing and managing your recordings is a breeze. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the sticky mounts provided. Just make sure to carefully align them for optimal positioning. The accompanying Viofo app provides a live view, access to recordings, and extensive settings customization for all three cameras. With features like GPS, motion detection, and parking mode, you're covered in various driving scenarios. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the video quality. The A229 Plus delivers stunning captures, whether it's day or night. With minimal fisheye effect and excellent handling of oncoming headlights, you can trust this dash cam to record all the details on your journey. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising down the open road, the A229 Plus ensures you never miss a moment. So, should you invest in the Viofo A229 Plus? Absolutely. With its top-notch performance, comprehensive coverage, and user-friendly features, it's a standout choice in the world of dash cams. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, drive safe and happy recording.